The Satras are institutional centers associated with the Eka Sharna tradition of Vaishnavism. They are largely found in Assam and neighboring regions of northeast India. These centers are generally independent of each other and under control of individual adhikaras or satradhikars. The Satras, in the minimum, maintain a prayer house, Namghar or Kirtan Ghar, initiate lay people into the Eka Sharna tradition and include them as disciples of the Satra. Although the culture of setting up religious institutions like Satras started in Sadia, the new Vaishnavite Satra culture started in the 16th century. They grew rapidly in the 17th century and patronage extended to them by first the Koch kingdom and later the Ahom kingdom was crucial in the spread of the Eka Sharna tradition of Vaishnavism. Many of the larger Satras house hundreds of celibate and non-celibate bhaktas or monks, hold vast lands and are repositories of religious and cultural relics and artifacts. The first Satra in Assam was established by a Brahmin priest named Shankarishan in Sadia under the patronage of the Chotia king Ratnadhwaj Pal at the start of the 13th century. It was named Ghaimora and later came to be known as Gharmora Satra. The new Vaishnavite Satras were established by Assamese Vaishnavite monasteries for religious practices at the initiative of Ahom kings of Assam in the middle of the 17th century to propagate new Vaishnavism. Shankar Dev is said to have established his first Satra at Bardova, his birthplace, and then in different places of Assam. The Satras are not merely religious institutions, but play cultural and historical roles in society. A dance form that was initiated by Srimanta Shankar Deva and later developed within the Satras and thus called Satriya is one of the 8 classical dance forms in India. The name Satra originates in the Bhagavad Puran in Sanskrit and is used in the sense of an assembly of devotees. During the lifetime of Shankar Dev, the devotees assembled in the open under trees. Though temporary prayer houses were built, the tradition of devotees living in the premises did not happen during the lifetime of Shankar Dev. The first mention of the Hatti is found in the context of Padmausi Satra of Damodar Dev. Though the Ahom kingdom initially registered the ingress of religious preceptors, but it finally endorsed the Satras, enabling them to establish themselves on sound economics, make themselves attractive to the lay people, and spread the Eka Sharna tradition of Vaishnavism. Soon, Majuli, the largest river island of the world in eastern Assam, became a center of Satra tradition and authority. Some of the cultural programs which are held in Satras are Bhavna, Daul Utsav or Daul, Janmashtami, Ras Leela or Ras Utsav. We are at the moment amidst the pious complex of the famous Satra in Majuli, the Kamlabari Satra. This has been the center of culture, art, literature and classical studies for many long years. This Satra has produced many great figures in the state in the culture sector. There are many artists and disciples who have been trained in this Satra, and they have performed and they are performing both on national and international platform. People of Majuli are very friendly and their lifestyle and culture unique and unparalleled. Do plan a visit to Majuli, the magnificent, magnolious Majuli.